In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Tradingview. Dark mode. If you prefer a screen that's easier on your eyes, especially during long sessions or late-night analysis. Switching Tradingview to a darker look takes just a moment, and there are two simple ways to do it. I'll walk you through both, explain what changes to expect, and share a couple of tips to make the result look exactly the way you want. First, let's use the quickest method. Look to the very top left corner of your Tradingview window and open the main menu. This is the menu that houses your profile, preferences, and platform-wide options. Inside this menu, find the dark theme switch and toggle it on. As soon as you flip that switch, the entire interface updates instantly. Your charts, side panels, toolbars, and menus all adopt a darker palette designed to reduce glare and improve contrast. This method is ideal if you want a consistent dark experience across the whole platform without tinkering with individual chart settings. If you ever want to go back, return to the same menu and toggle the switch off. Here is also an alternative way that gives you more granular control over the chart's look. Right-click any empty space on your chart to open the context menu. Then select Settings. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the section where you control the chart's appearance. Locate the background area and choose Canvas. Here, you can pick a dark or pure black color for the background. Selecting a darker background can make candles, indicators, and drawing tools pop more clearly. And it can reduce eye strain in low-fi light environments. After choosing your preferred dark shade, click OK to confirm. Your chart background updates immediately while the rest of the interface remains unchanged, which is great if you want a dark chart but prefer the standard look for menus and panels. A quick tip while you are here: after darkening the canvas, consider lightly adjusting grid line intensity or crosshair color, so that essential elements remain visible without overwhelming the screen. Small tweaks like this keep your chart readable and balanced. Also, remember that the first method controls the entire theme in one move, while the second targets only the chart's background. Use whichever better fits how you work. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.